El Paso, Texas has a rich history. One of its legendary landmarks is the Pershing Theater, showing films for 50 years beginning in 1939. Photographer Marty Snortum and his family love movies so much that they bought the theater. And after a total renovation, they now call it home.
My inspiration for living in a movie theater was just that it's like the best place you could possibly live. Oh, the renovation on this place was massive. It was basically just bones left.
And a wedge. Think about that slanted floor.
So it was a huge undertaking. The initial process took about 7 months, and then 22 years later, we're still working.
It'll never be done.
What once was a traditional 800-seat movie theater is now a 3-level, 4-bedroom, 6-bath home and Marty's studio. With some of the old theater decor put to use, there's no denying its Hollywood past. And when Marty, Navina, and their son Trip want to watch a movie, they have the best media room in town, with seats for 100 of their closest friends.
We're sitting in the original balcony area on the new VIP sofa area, but all the other seats are still the original balcony seats. We sit up here and we watch movies, we can do TV.
The top floor projection room is now an island-themed guest suite, and down the first level, Son Trip gets the coolest room of all.
This is our son Trip's room. It's the quietest room in the house. It's actually underground. And we did it as a spaceship because we figured, hey, a room with no windows better look cool.
The retro kitchen and dining room hold the bulk of Marty's quirky collection of tikis.
Most of Marty's mugs came from old Polynesian restaurants, so when we wanted to think of how to build out our dining room, we thought, hey, why not make it a Polynesian restaurant?
It's funny, every once in a while, we still get people ringing the doorbell, which is in the ticket booth window, and they say, I went on my first date here, or I got my first kiss. If you grew up in El Paso, you definitely came to the movies here.
They all want to get invited to a movie party. We have some pretty good movie parties.
Yeah.